Now one small important topic in per unit system is to be able to change the base of the per unit impedance. Okay. So we will see how to do that. Now the actual value will remain the same, right? Whatever base we take, that is only changing the per unit value. The actual value is going to remain the same. Okay. So first you can write the actual value in terms of the old base. Okay. So this is going to be Z per unit old into Z base old, right? And this will be equal to the new per unit value into the new base value, right? This is equal to the actual value. So from here you can write the per unit value, the new per unit value, this is equal to the old per unit value into the old base by new base value. Okay. So this is the expression. Further you can write in terms of the base voltage and volt amperes as well. Okay. Instead of the base values of impedance, you can write in terms of base values of voltage and volt ampere. So Z per unit new is equal to Z per unit old into the voltage base old base value divided by new base value whole square into volt ampere base new value divided by the old value. Okay. So this is also one expression you can find in either base.